We created BitRead, a Python program that uses Google's text-to-speech and speech-to-text APIs in order to guide special needs users through reading a sentence. And we actually drew inspiration from my experiences with my brother, who has autism. And that's because when my brother was learning how to read, my mom would have to help him through every single word in the sentence. And then when he read the first word and got it right, as soon as he started reading the second word, he'd immediately forget what the first word was. So that's why our program not only provides our users with feedback on whether they pronounce the word in the sentence correctly, but it also divides a big sentence into smaller chunks of 2 to 3 words so that the user can figure out how to put 2 words together before figuring out how to put a big sentence together.
Spell C-A-T.
Cat.
Good job. Spell L-I-K-E-S.
Lit.
Try again. Now put the words together.
Cap likes.
Try again.
Cat likes.
Good job. Now say the sentence.
Cat likes cake.